it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. Yeah, beat? Green Day. I know. What? Yeah, well, this punk pop rock band is so fun to play on the guitar and the Loog, and that's why we're working on Boulevard of Broken Dreams today. It's a part of the top 4 songs that I teach all of my beginner guitarists, and I've been doing that for 20 years. Check out the playlist when you get a chance. I've got other songs that are classic rock and fun to play. Everybody knows them. Everyone loves to play them. Today is gonna be a fun lesson. Let's get into it. Boulevard of Broken Dreams. There's 2 sections to this song. That's what's so fun about it. We have a verse and we have a chorus. Nice. The verse has 4 chords. E minor, G, D, and A major. And the chorus has 4 chords. C, G, D, and E minor. Did you see what was different between the verse and the chorus? Yeah, beat. In the verse we play an A major, and in the chorus we play a C major. Very sharp. Also, the order changes, right? All right, let's dive into this. Here's our chords. Learn how to play them real fast. Here we go. Our E minor, very easy. I'm not pressing anything. The Loog is built like a 6-string guitar, and the top 3 strings make an E minor chord. We have our G. Our G is with our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. I call it G on 3. Notice the difference between the E minor and the G is just 1 string. Right? 1 fret, 1 string. Great. Then we have our D. And if you've been around in the Loog Nation community, you know that this is one of the most important chords to learn, and take your time learning it. The key is to make sure that your fingers are lifting up and chomping down on the strings. We don't want flat, quacking ducks. Quack, 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 right? We want chomping monsters. Boom. That's the key. Peace sign, wrapping around. 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd fret. Bring that 3rd finger over the top and chomp down on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Nice. D. And then we have an A major. It's the middle 2 fingers, 2 and 3 on strings 3 and 2 on the 2nd fret. That's a bit of a brain tease. Yeah. 2 and 3 on 3 and 2 on the 2nd fret. 2nd finger, 3rd finger, 3rd string, 2nd string, 2nd fret. Boom, A major. That's our verse. All right. Now we've got a C that comes up at the beginning of the chorus. And if you've checked out the 10 songs with 2 chords, that's one of my very first videos that I did. You should check that out. It's a bunch of fun songs that are only 2 chords, and I play a C in all of those songs. So maybe you've already played a C. C. There we go. If you have a song that you want to learn, leave it in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. I want to know what's going on with you all out there. Are you having a good time? Are there things you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Yeah. The reason I teach this song is it's a slow, even strum, and we work on changing our chords. One of the hardest things to do playing the Loog or any stringed instrument is changing chords. So, Boulevard of Broken Dreams helps us get there. Yeah, and it's fun to play. Yeah. All right. E minor. 2. Notice I'm playing what's called a half note. I'm strumming once and holding another beat. So 1, 2. See what beat did there? It's a stick with a hollow center representing 2 beats. 1, 2. All right, then we go to a G. 2. Right? And then we have a D. 2. And then we have A major. 2. Now that's the easy way to play this song. Easy level 1 is strum, hold, strum, hold, strum, hold, strum, hold. That was cool. Now, what you could do is add 2 beats. Change that half note into 2 quarter notes. Oh, man. Beats. You know me well. Yeah. All right. I'm going to grab my pick, and I'm going to play 2 quarter notes now and give it a little more of that rock feel. All right, you still with me? Great. So you've got 2 options for playing the verse. Half notes and quarter notes. Nice. Let's go right into the chorus. Why not? It's an easy song. So we got our verse out of the way. Whoosh. All right, here comes the chorus. What we're going to do now in the chorus to give it more energy and more like volume, all that good stuff, is we're going to play eighth notes. Yeah, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the chorus is C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor. All right. And that's the big, awesome, rock anthem that Green Day makes out of it, right? The whole... My shadow's the only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. What is happening here? That's not the same chord. All right. Let's get into this. So, this is what makes Green Day so cool. They don't just stay with the same 4 chords. They end the chorus with a B7. Yeah, a B7? Trust me, later we'll have lessons about why that works, because it totally works. It's all part of the same key later. B7. Yeah, that one sneaks up on us. And if you've watched other videos, you've seen this chord before. It's really fun to play. Basically, it's like a D. We're lifting off the 3rd finger. I like to, as a trained guitarist, use the appropriate fingers, which are string fingers 2 and 3 on strings 1 and 3. Here we are again with these numbers. 2, 3, 3, 1. 2nd finger, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 1st string on the 2nd fret. Time for a play along. All right, I'm gonna play the whole 1st and 2nd verse through the chorus with you right now. I'm gonna do the 1st verse as half notes, and then the 2nd verse is quarter notes, and then the chorus I'm gonna play 8th notes. All right, ready? Yeah, let's do this. 1, 2, 1, 2. and then we go back into it. Nice job, everyone. All right. This is such a great song to play for beginners. Notice all of the chord changes that you get to work through, and all of those chords are going to be repeated through different songs as you continue to work with us at Loog Nation. Yeah, how do you continue to work with us at Loog Nation? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, become a part of the community. This is a part of that playlist of the very first songs I've always taught all of my guitar students over the past 20 years of teaching music, and I love bringing it to the Loog. So thank you for your time today. We'll see you next time at Loog Nation.